The Earthshot Prize for Protect and Restore Nature goes to Atlyn Dala Conservation. Let's get a hand, let's get a hand. Woo, let's get a hand.
Congratulations. Thanks, Earthshot Prize, I cannot believe. Despite all challenges of biodiversity and climate crisis that we are facing, I still remain both optimistic and hopeful. And why? Because whenever we make a peace with nature, give her space and time, she has incredible capacity to restore and recover herself. And a remarkable recovery of the Saiga antelope in Kazakhstan is the evidence of this. With protecting landscape and working on the training program, this demonstrates both the power of nature and power of partnership. I'm honored to receive the prize on behalf of Atlyn Dala partners, the Ministry of Ecology and Natural Resources of Kazakhstan, and civil societies organization, ICBK, Fauna and Flora International, Frankfurt Zoological Society, and RSPB. This prize recognizes all hard work for the last 2 decades for everyone involved, decision makers, scientists, rangers, teachers. For this unique opportunity, we would like to thank the UN Decade for Ecosystem Restoration for nominating us, the Earthshot Prize for choosing us, and the Prince William for such a strong voice for nature conservation by creating this prize. I congratulate all finalists and see your solutions. It's not only make me hopeful, but strongly believe for the future, better future of our planet. Thank you.